Hi girls, today I want to explain you about the finding distance using a thread. So because I think some of you have, especially Rajsi has this problem and one or two more had this problem. I think Gurnaz also has the same problem. So I brought this PDF, this topo sheet map. Do not worry of which particular place is this. You just have to understand how to find the distance using a thread. So now suppose I want to find a distance using a thread along the road. Which road we should take? Let us take this road, the road which is between. Let me increase the size of this map, zoom in so that you can read it. And I suppose I want to take a distance from this particular village to this village. So what I will do is I will take a thread, tie a knot and put it here, and then the thread will move along the road. Like I am moving this, it will move along the road. Where it ends, mark it with a pen. Like suppose here I will mark it that this is the point where my road is, my thread will be read. Okay, so I mark it here that this is the point where my thread will be read. This is the mark end point and this is the knot which is starting point. Now what will I do? I'll pick up the thread and put it on the scale. This is the scale that is given. This is the 0 mark from where we will start, right? And I'll put the thread here. Let me read it along the scale, and if the thread ends here, that means this is 1 kilometer, this is 2 kilometers, this is more than 2 kilometers. So this part of my thread which is here beyond 2, this part of my thread is extra, right? So I have to read this thread again by keeping it on 0 and taking it backwards. Suppose when I keep the thread here and read it backwards, it comes to around 400 or fourth point. That means it is 400 meters. So it is 2 kilometers and 400 meters. Is it clear? This is how we read the thread. Now, if you want to find the direct distance, then we can use a scale directly. Suppose I want to find a direct distance between these two places. So I will put a scale, find out the direct distance, and then divide. Suppose it is coming 10.5. 10.5. So I will divide it by 2 and you will get the distance. Is it clear? I hope I made this very clear. Thank you.